Reading Pioneers is proud to present Mommy Says, Mistakes Are Okay. Written by Shantae J. Adams. Illustrated by Alyssa Lasco. I painted a garden for Mom, but spilled paint by mistake. Mommy wiped my eyes and asked what decision I would make. Maybe I'll throw myself a pity party and just pout. Maybe I'll walk around with an angry frown and just shout. Or maybe I'll just cry until my shirt collar feels wet. And I'm washed away by feelings of sorrow and regret. Mommy says it's best to skip out on the pity party. She says yelling and screaming never helps anybody. Mommy says it's okay to cry, but I should not feel down. She says there is one decision that will turn up my frown. That one decision is to accept that I'm just a kid. There's no need to get upset about whatever I did. Mommy says there is always a way to fix a mistake. Daddy can fix it. He always repairs the things I break. Mommy says it's true that Daddy is a handy man. There are mistakes best fixed with the help of your fellow man. Mommy says that at times things won't exactly go my way. Mommy says we all make mistakes, and mistakes are okay. Thank you, Pioneers, for reading with us today to the book Mommy Says Mistakes Are Okay by Shantae J. Adams. I like the lesson the young girl learned that she's still young and can rely on her parents to help fix some mistakes made in life. Mommy Says is actually a book series that you can find on Barnes & Noble to read with your young ones as a great bedtime story to help with teaching important lessons and life skills. To support the author, Shantae, you can visit her website on Canva and follow her on Instagram. All links are included in the description box down below, so please check her out. I am very thankful that Shantae asked me to read this book on my channel as well as the other books from the Mommy Says series. If you have a book you'd like to be read on this channel, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, so we can turn it into the next read aloud. Also, it would really help this channel if you like the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe while clicking that notification bell to stay updated with future read alouds coming soon. Unfortunately, this is it for today's video. While waiting for the next story, remember to visit Barnes & Noble to purchase a copy of this book and check out this YouTube channel for a playlist including the other Mommy Says children's books, as mentioned before through read aloud videos. Thanks again, readers, for joining us today, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye!